Hello, do you have a smartphone? Yeah, do you have something like this? Then why are you still broke? See, one of the things I have learned over the years with people who are having access to the internet is that they do not go for the right information. And I used to say it over and over again that if you are having the right information, that is the only time you can utilize it and make the most out of it. You see, a lot of people just have the smartphone and all they do with it is just scroll social media, burn data, and end of the day, sleep, wake up, do it over and over again, and life goes on. Though you are the owner of your phone, but how would you feel if you can be able to use the same phone you use in burning data to actually make money on the internet? Now, in this video, I'm going to do my best to explain to you at least 3 business ideas you can start with your phone and a capital of 20,000 naira if you're living in Nigeria right now. And you can make your first 1 million naira in it if you continue. You're welcome. My name is Kingsley Nemeka and I help you with business tips and ideas how to make money on the internet with a smartphone like this. And I also give business tips and ideas on how to grow your business. And that's because over the years, I've been on the internet, I've tested a lot of things, and the things that really worked, this is what I bring to you on this YouTube channel. So we are heading straight to learning how to make money literally on the internet in 2024 using this 3 business model. And you may have heard it a lot of times before, but I'm going to do my best to explain it to the simplest form so that at the end you pick the information and run with it. I used to tell people that information is the only thing you need for the next level of your life, because if you even have money and do not have the right information on how to invest that money, it is always going to end in a way that even you will not like it. Now, one of the things you must understand when going into online businesses is that online businesses are not magic. The same way you see those who run offline businesses with a lot of patience is the same way you should also have patience, because running a business online is just like running a business offline. The only difference is that you have an opportunity of reaching wider audience than someone who is offline. Do you get it? Yes. And with that gotten, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because yes, you're going to learn a lot of things over time and it is related to business and money. So subscribe, turn on the notification bell icon so you do not miss our videos that comes up almost every week. Are we good? Yes, then you're welcome. Moving on to the first business you can start online with 20,000 naira, we talk about content creation. Now, when we talk about content creation, there are strategies on how content works. What you're watching right now is a content created on YouTube. Now, when I talk about using 20,000 naira to start, I mean it can be less than that. And I'm trying to say that the 20,000 naira is supposed to be invested in knowledge. Ever since I started shooting YouTube video to this very video you are seeing, I've been using my smartphone to do that. And you all know that YouTube pays, right? So at a point where you understand these things, you learn how they work and you learn the ethics, you are going to make so much money from it because you have stayed in it and you have knowledge of how they work. The only thing you're going to miss is when you start without the right information. That is why we always encourage you to go ahead to chase knowledge, gather information that are necessary in your field, and then go ahead to implement. Implementation remains the mother of success. Anybody who has not succeeded have not implemented, and that's because at the end of the day, what you learn is up here and what you implement is here. You can see it. So you have to implement the things you have heard, the things you have seen others do, and check if they are going to work for you. And another thing you need is a long thinking mindset. That is the only thing that can help you. If you cannot think long, you cannot last long. I say it a lot to my students, and that's because if you come to the internet and you're thinking that, all right, we have come, so let's just do it and make so much money, well, the result you need may not come as fast as you think, and that's because truly and true, results may not come in 90 days. But are you willing to wait? Are you willing to learn how it works? Content creation is not only on YouTube, because a lot of you may claim that you are camera shy, you cannot talk in the camera, you are not bold enough to talk in the camera. Well, nobody was born to start talking in the camera. Everybody who is talking into the camera today learned it. You will not believe there was a time I couldn't stay this bold talking in the camera. So everything that you don't know how to do can be learned. So content creation is one of the business you can try in 2024 and you really make money from it, especially on Facebook. And the same video you create to post on YouTube can be posted on Facebook pages, can be posted on Instagram, TikTok, and you monetize any of them that is monetizable, and you make so much money from it. And one of the beautiful things about YouTube videos is that it keeps generating you income forever, or let's say as long as the internet has YouTube. You are on a way of building financial freedom. So creating videos on YouTube is an investment. If you are going to start content creation, give yourself 2 to 3 years of putting in the work, and I bet you're going to enjoy it. If you think 2 to 3 years is really a long time of putting in the work, then I want you to think of how many years you spent in secondary school, how many years you probably spent back in primary school, and how many years you are actually going to spend in the university before you come out as somebody who is a professional in the field. So when you calculate these years you've spent in other areas to become who you are today, you will see that 2 to 3 years of putting in the work as a content creator on YouTube, on Facebook, or any other platform is not really a hard time. You can start with 20k or less by learning how this thing works and then getting started immediately. Some of you already have good cameras. All you need to do is to learn how to be a professional in your niche, start going, and you will become. Yes, so information that I have given you is 1, action is 2. So when you have information, you take action. That's the only way you get results. Are we clear? Oh yes. So moving on to number 2 is getting into sales and marketing. A lot of you have heard a lot of things about sales and marketing and you don't really understand what that is. Now, I'm not going to go into sales and marketing a whole lot of it because it's a whole lot of topic. Digital marketing is a whole lot of things, but I'm going to narrow it down to what we already know or what you have been hearing or what you have been conversant with, which is affiliate marketing. As a young person, I made my first 1 million naira with affiliate marketing, and it was like a surprise. But you see, we all learn these things and use it to the best of our knowledge only if we can pay attention to knowing. When you have knowledge of everything you want to try, you are going to be ahead. Yes, you're always going to be ahead. The reason why Elon Musk is ahead of a lot of us is because he has an information that a lot of us do not have. If another person should get the information Elon Musk has right now and tend to get it more than him, he will be the richest person in the world. So never stop looking for information. Affiliate marketing is a branch of digital marketing where you learn sales and marketing. And the beautiful thing is that you need just your smartphone to get started. So what is affiliate marketing? It is simply you recommending other people's product and getting a commission percentage for it. For instance, if I'm going to sell this smartphone for you as an affiliate, all I'm going to be looking for is the 50% that comes out from the price the owner of this phone is willing to sell it. Let's say he's going to sell it for a price of 50,000 naira. And I'm to get 25%. The only thing I need to do is to come to you and tell you, okay, this is the beauty of this phone. It has good camera, it has this, it has that, it has that, it has. I'm going to persuade you to now buy the phone. By the time you see that this is going to really help you do better, you pay for this phone. By the time you pay for this phone, you're going to get 50%. And that 50% is 25,000 naira if the phone is selling for 50,000 naira. Have you seen how it is very easy to actually make money with affiliate marketing business? Yes. Now, it is not about making money offline. I'm trying to tell you that this very business model has been integrated on the internet to the point that we now sell information products like courses, trainings, webinars, ebooks, and lots more. Now, if you happen to be on the internet and you have heard a lot about affiliate marketing and you are still thinking it's a scam, then I'm going to be laughing at you like ha 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 ha, because you are missing a lot. You are really missing a lot. And that's because as much as you wait thinking it's a scam, the more people are getting into it. Although it cannot be oversaturated, but I bet you will not like to start late when others have actually done a lot of things from it. And one thing you should know is that this business model is growing ever after. And even after years of not getting into it, many people will still get into it and succeed. I can go on and on and on and on and list amount of people I have been able to teach this very business model, and they are all doing well by the grace of God, and that's because they went for knowledge. Go for knowledge anywhere you are and you will learn. So if you really want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then you're going to use the link in the description. The first link in the description is a video of affiliate marketing where I'm going to show you everything you need to learn about affiliate marketing. Or you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to link a video that will show you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. And I bet you can start it with 20,000 naira or less. That is where you will learn sales and marketing, become a professional, know how to persuade people, know how to sell, because everything about money making is selling. Every money is made from selling. So you need to find a product or you render a service, and at the end of the day you make money doing so. Are we good? Yes. So moving on to number 3 is Amazon KDP. A lot of people have heard me say this, and the reason why I keep saying it is because I have seen it. It is working, and a lot of people are making money from it. I have someone very close to me that is making so much money from it, and you can start with 20,000 naira or less. So what is Amazon KDP? Amazon KDP simply means Kindle Direct Publishing. This also means that you can be an author. You're not working for anybody but yourself. You create books and put on Amazon and get paid every time people buy it. And one shocking part about it is that you don't have to be a writer. That's why I always say you go for knowledge first. And that's because when you get a training on how Amazon KDP really works, you are going to learn how you don't have to produce the kind of book you have in your head for you to make money. There are kind of books that sells on Amazon. And yes, when you produce those type of books, you sell it. Now let's assume I'm looking for a smartphone. Let's assume an Infinix Hot 10, and I came to your shop. You are trying to give me a Techno Spark 10. I'm not going to take it because what I'm looking for is Infinix Hot 10. So this is how it is on the internet. People are looking for a particular kind of information. It's not the kind of information that you want. You don't matter in this game. People who matters are your consumers. So you must be able to find out what those you are trying to reach out to really want, and at the end of the day you give them what they want and you get compensated with the royalty you're going to be making. With 20,000 naira or less, you can start your Amazon KDP business, and you can go right in the description of this video. Second link you're going to see will give you access to Amazon KDP training. You pay for it, get knowledge, start up and make a lot of money from it. All you need is a smartphone, the information, which is the knowledge and the courses, and you get started for yourself. With these 3 business ideas, you are not permitted to be broke. Pick one and get into it. Get knowledge, get depth, and learn. I always emphasize on learning, because you can never do anything without the full knowledge of what you really want to do. If you are there because you want to do trial and error, it is going to take you more time than paying someone to learn. Now, a lot of you may complain you don't have money. My brother, my sister, look for the money. Save money, because even as you don't have money, you still have other things you pay for. Save money, get invested in any of these online businesses and make money from it. It's not about the money, it's about the skills that even come from it. You can work anywhere in the world once you have a digital skill. But let's assume you're a carpenter and you're moving out, you have to carry a lot of things with you. But if you're someone who has a digital skill, immediately you are moving with those skills, and you can work it anywhere because you don't need to set up any shop or an office, and boom, you are ready. So these are the 3 business ideas I believe will help you if you pick any one of them. You see, I'm an affiliate marketer, and if you're looking forward for someone who is going to hold your hand, show you step by step on how to really succeed in this business, that I am your guy. So go ahead right now and reach out to me by dropping a comment that you want me to hold your hand and be your mentor or your coach, and you will get my reply immediately. Thank you for watching. Tell me what you learned in the comment box, and if you have been having trouble with any of these business ideas that I mentioned, or if you want me to explain anything at all, go in the comment and drop it. My name is Kingsley Nemeka. I am your financial doctor, and I will be putting you through anytime you need help with money making and business tips. To our growth, let's continue growing. Do not forget to subscribe, share this video, and let people come and get it, because more of it will be coming with information overload. Remember, information is the only thing you need for the next level of your life, and when you get information without taking action, there is no result. Chase knowledge first is what I say to my students, and I'm going to say it to you: chase knowledge first.